Hey everyone, welcome to day 14 of the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar 2025. We're going to open this square door today. It looks like it's probably going to be a stencil based on the last larger door we looked at. Ooh, maybe not. Alright, and we've got a die. For those of you who are new to the series, I do cut the doors off, trim them up, and save them to be the image to go with my die when I store them. I use the Honeybee Pocket storage folders with magnets for the dies and the regular storage folders for the other items. Alright, so far we have all the days up on YouTube under the Spellbinders 2025 Crafty Advent Calendar playlist. If you want to see any of the prior videos, rewatch them for inspiration, save them, or see them for the first time. Looks like we're getting quite a few layers here for this, I'm going to say caterpillar and a leaf. This could be an interesting, like a mountain outline or something too on a card. These could be raindrops. We have a few different options here. Alright, let's see what we can do with this.
I'd love to know which card is your favorite. Please let me know in the comments below and hit the like button so YouTube will know to send this to other people looking for Advent inspiration. I'll be posting the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar throughout December 2025. Subscribing to my channel is free and allows you to find my videos faster. If you'd like to know when my videos are posted, click on the notification button and select your preferred notification frequency. If you're also crafting with this calendar, please tag me. I'd love to see your projects.